A very big thank you to the team for very kindly sending out to us this 3-in-1 charging station. This is MagSafe compatible, so you will need to use this on a compatible phone, watch and AirPods. This is a really great convenient way to charge all your devices in one. I personally have all 3 devices, and having so many cables and different chargers is quite frustrating. So having a 3-in-1 charger is going to be so useful. The charger itself is foldable, so it's super convenient and small. With the phone, you can charge it in either portrait or landscape. I also really like you can angle it. So if you want to carry on watching movies or playing games, you can adjust the angle. And with the watch, you just place it on the charging unit and within a few seconds, it will start to charge. And with your AirPods as well, just pop them on there and they will begin to charge. This is a really fab device for grab and go charging that's really sleek and compact. This is going to be really great, not just for your everyday, maybe by your bed or on your desk, but maybe for work. And also it's going to be really great for travel as well. My impressions of this is a really nice high quality build. It is made from aluminium and stainless steel. It's smooth and sturdy and has a really good silicone base, so it's not going to shift. I really also like that it has an overcurrent protection, so your devices are going to be protected. Thanks again for sending it through to us. We really do appreciate it.